Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online by doing affiliate marketing. So let me show you a world popular platform. Here you can type Digistore24, and after that you can see this is official website. Simply you can create your account and you can easily promote their products. So simply click here register button, and after that here you can add username. Let me add enable website design, and after that here we need to add email, and after that add a password. Make sure that you have added a strong password. And after that now select affiliate, then accept terms and conditions. After that click here continue. Now here you need to add some details. Let me add and here we need to add first name, last name, then company name, enable website design, then street address, and here we need to add zip code, city, state, phone number, and here you can add Skype ID. So this is optional. Then simply click here register. The next step is now we need to verify email. Let's go back, and after that here you can see we got notification. Simply go here and click to activate. Now here we need to add a password, then we are logged in, and after that by default here you can see this is vendor dashboard. Now select affiliate, now here you can see this is overall report for the earnings. So now here you can find out the products that you want to promote. Just you can go in the marketplace. Now scroll down, and here you can see these are the products. On the left side these are the filters that you can select the category, you can select the language, and after that let me show you how you can find out affiliate link. Here you can see copy promo link. Simply you can copy here, and after that you can use social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, and various other platforms. Some people recommend this one, Quora.com. Simply you can go here, and after that you can create a free account. Just you can go continue with Google, and this is the world popular platform where you can ask questions and many more. So simply you can create this account, then after that you can add here questions, then you can add your link here. So this is the affiliate link, and after that simply click here add question. So in this way you can easily earn a lot of money by sitting in your home with affiliate marketing.